Welcome to dontgetrekt. I'm a crypto enthusiast since 2013 and the web developer behind buybitcoinsmart.com. Today, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Cayman Islands. Let's get started. So step 1, you need to choose the exchange. To begin, go to buybitcoinsmart.com and type in Cayman Islands and you'll see a list of all the best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in Cayman Islands. Choose an exchange to suit your needs. Step 2, you need to register and KYC. This step usually involves providing your personal info and verifying your identity. And step 3, deposit fiat and buy Bitcoin. This process usually varies depending on the exchange you've chosen, so be sure to follow their instructions. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll never miss a new video and can continue to learn more about crypto. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends in crypto, earn free crypto, airdrops, DeFi, NFTs and more, be sure to join the dontgetrekt Academy, link below. And that's it. Hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Cayman Islands. See you in the next video.